Hi guys, part two of my bathroom construction in Connecticut. I have 3 bathrooms that I'm doing. I gave you guys part one already. So now this is part two of the video of me doing some work on these bathrooms up in Connecticut. All right. So take a look. I finished up with the water lines already. I'm doing the drain system now. And once I'm finished with the drain system then I close up the wall and work on the tiling. So and the drain line me I work on now, people. Just stick and stay with me and watch what I go on. Like I said, the drain line them was already there, So I'm just doing an extension on it because the customer wanted a his and her sink to install instead of a single one. So I have to do some adjustment with the plumbing before we can move forward. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm doing the adjustment then. And then after that, we can move forward with the rest of the stuff that we have to do. So just stick and stay and go and watch. I'll make sure when I finish, I'll show you guys what the finishing is like on the plumbing work. You see, this are the original 2 water line because there was one sink here, right? So now what I do, this are the drain. So I splice the drain, right? These are the ventilation. So I splice the drain and the ventilation. So I put a T down here, so for carry out here, so now to the new line where the other sink I got there. See? This when I reach, this is the other sink. Hot water, cold water, and the drain, right? That's for the other sink. And then if you come back over now, you see where you have hot water, cold water, and then now me tap into the drain. See, this are the main drain, and then now this are the ventilation, right? We give the system, make the system can breathe. Then you have to have a good breathing system for the water run flow properly. You understand? Or else the water now go flow properly. So this line now is vent to the roof of the building. And then this is run now to the basement of the building and to the drain out of street. So I hit me a tie back in. I only have this part left to tie back in. Right? So you see when me tie in that part here, me will show now what go on and what the finish look like. Then I'm just gonna close up back these walls. You see the wall them? See how the walls stay now? It open up. So me finish, me I will close them back up and show you what it look like when everything. You guys not gonna see our next video again until when I close it up. And then you will see the drain here that comes out here, right? And you will see this drain here comes out here, just like how you see the water line comes out. You're gonna see this drain come out, and you're gonna see this drain here come outside here, right? So not gonna see the next video again till part 3 of this video. And then you will see when we close it up and what it look like when it's closed up. And then we will show you when me I tile it out, show you where the tiling look like. I finished one of the bathroom already, I finished the main bathroom in the house already. That bathroom is done. I'm gonna show you guys a video of it, what it looks like, how it looks, and then you guys can tell me if I did a good job or not. You understand? But anyway, this is the end of this video. Look out for part 3. All right, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my videos, please. So I just started this channel, so I want to reach 1K subscribers. So please help me out with that. All right, thank you. Bless.